One of the best ways to understand the brain is to build one. The recent progresses in neuroscience and artificial intelligence have led to the discovery of the principles that answer to some of the fundamental questions concerning the functioning of the brain and behavior, such as why do we have a brain, how does it work, and why sometimes it doesn't work properly. Today, we can formalize these concepts to create different computer simulation of many different brain systems. In my project, I apply this idea to create a simulation of the neural systems that encodes our ability to understand the intentions and the meaning of other people's actions. This system is essential for everyday social interactions because it allows to predict and respond properly to others' behavior and, importantly, to learn by imitation. The neuropsychological research have demonstrated that this system can be compromised at different levels. For example, damages in one area of the brain can lead to an impaired understanding of the meaning of an action, while damages in another area can lead to an impaired recognition of the kinematics of an action. Indeed, we can reproduce these differentiated deficits in our simulation by creating virtual damages that impair the artificial brain ability to understand action. We can then compare our simulated results with the real clinical population, observing how the manipulation of specific parameters correlates with the severity of patients' damages and deficits. From this comparison, we can then generate predictions about the evolution of the damage and formulate targeted treatments to improve the remission of the deficit. At last, by looking at the efficacy of these predictions and treatments, we can further improve the design of our simulation. My idea is that from this process, we can bring about a virtuous cycle of constant improvement between the clinical application and our understanding of the brain. The more we refine our simulation, the more we can compensate to more severe deficits, as we comprehend the rules that govern our brain and behavior, and we come closer and closer to the building of a true human-like artificial intelligence. Thank you.